Hey, I'm back. We're going to talk about the best way to consume eggs, okay? Now, there's many different ways you can consume eggs, but here's the challenge. When you overcook the egg, especially the egg yolk, it oxidizes the cholesterol, okay? It forms a compound called oxysterols. And what that does is it will tend to create a platelet clump or a clogging of the arteries, okay? So we want to avoid that. So based on this data, and the next piece of information, I'm going to show you what to do, but if you have raw eggs, you actually decrease the protein utilization and you actually block the absorption of biotin, which is very important in your hair and your nails, but primarily the hair because it's involved with proteins. So you want to cook the white part and you can actually keep the yolk runny, okay? So the best way to cook eggs is to poach them, fry them, and I use butter or coconut oil. I make sure my yolks are runny, or lightly scrambled. Okay, that's not a problem. Or boiled. Now, when you boil them, the egg yolk is somewhat protected because it's in the center, so it never really over oxidizes. Okay, so it's not going to be a problem. So those are the 4 methods of consuming eggs. All right, thanks for watching.